So another really important part about health optimization is to look after what we call methylation. And there are really two branches to methylation. The first part of methylation is how we methylate our genes, and how we turn our genes on and off is through methylation. And so methylation just means we take a methyl group, a chemical group, and we add it to something. So it alters the function. And so in our DNA, if we methylate a gene, we effectively turn it off. If we demethylate it, we turn it on. And so we want to be able to do that very efficiently. The other branch of methylation is also really important. It's about detoxification and clearing metabolic waste out of our body. And we do the same thing. We take a methyl group, we add it to a waste product, and that makes it water soluble or to come out via the bowels, and we can clear that out of our body. The thing is, it's quite common that people will have a problem in their methylation pathways which slows down how well or how efficiently they methylate, and therefore the risk is that things are going to start to build up in the body, and that's going to affect the body. It can lead to inflammation and cellular damage and that sort of stuff. And we clear hormones, for example, via methylations. And so if we aren't clearing those hormones, we start to see rise in testosterone, rise in estrogen, and then our body has to be adaptive to changing those things around. So methylation is critically important. Now, how do we test for methylation? The best way to test for methylation is to do your DNA. If you're a human and you've got DNA, you'll want to know what it says. So get a DNA profile done, and then we get the whole methylation profile. And we can sit down and we can go through each of the genes and look with the SNPs and interpret that to find out whether those SNPs are having any significant impact on the efficiency of the way you methylate. Or you can just do a methylation gene profile as well. You can just do a select few genes that look at things like MTHFR, in particular 677 and the 1298, and also the COMT pathway. These are some of the really important methylation pathways that we want to look at. So we want to make sure that they're optimized, because they are the pathways that start to clear some stuff out of our body that, if that accumulates inside of us, can start to lead to all sorts of problems: hormone dysregulation, cardiovascular disease, that sort of thing. Methylation, hallmark of optimization. Make sure you're looking after it.